Hello, my name's Mark Forrest, and I'm the Training Manager here at L4U Library Software. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the overview of acquisitions in L4U. The acquisition file acts as a holding tank for items that are not yet ready for circulation. It is the main point of bibliographic data entry into L4U. New item records are created either through manual entry, also known as original entries, or copy cataloging for materials in the library file, or, if you're part of the union catalog, or from the internet using the checkmark feature. Another method is to import MARC records supplied by your book vendor or other sources. These methods of creating item records are covered in other video tips. From the main acquisition screen, or the main library file management screen, click Acquisitions from either the Library Management toolbar or the Acquisition button from the Library Management home page. Then, to add an item and start cataloging, click the Add button. After clicking Add Record in Acquisitions, you are presented with a rather large form with many fields to enter information. This can be overwhelming for a newcomer, but remember, as most librarians have told me over the years, catalog as much as possible, keeping in mind the needs of your library patrons. If the item you're cataloging is for faculty or consultant, then you should catalog more information that is relevant for their needs. If it is a popular fiction item, something dealing with vampires or wizards, then the need for that much detail is just not required. As you may notice on this screen here, some of these fields have information in them already. These are known as entry defaults, and they're there to help speed up the cataloging process. For example, here in the status field, we have various values such as arrived, back order, hold. You can choose these settings as you see fit, but arrived is the default entry because most librarians are cataloging with the materials in hand. Over here, we have the publishers. Miscellaneous is the default publisher. And lower down, in the main section, we have what are known as the control files. And these are quite important, so they're filled in by default as well. There is a video tip regarding the control files that you can reference separately. Over here, we have the cost and replacement value. Generally speaking, cost is what you paid for the item, and replacement value is what you want to appear on overdue notices. When you have finished creating and reviewing the item, click Save. If the item is part of a novel set and more copies are needed to be cataloged, click Duplicate and enter the number of extra copies required. You are then ready to catalog the next item. The Clear button is used to clear the screen without saving. Cancel will close the window without saving as well. Remember, best practice is to say, when in doubt, click Save. Also, remember to use the on-screen navigation buttons to help move between the different areas of the item record. Along the top, you'll notice that there are links or buttons that quickly take you to that part of the record. When that button is clicked, you're taken to that record, and just as easy to return back to the top of the page, you would click the links in the top left corner of each section. That will return you to the top of the page. Help is just a click away. In all the modules toolbar is the Help button. Hover over the button and select Help Files. L4U will display relevant steps and other assistance with the task at hand. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day, and we hope you have a great day.